In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege X error. Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. First thing you want to do is, I'm going to show as an example for this game, and you can follow the same steps for Rainbow Siege. So you would right click on Rainbow Siege, and then you would go to properties, and then install files, and then verify integrity of game files. Now see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then right click again, go here to manage, browse local files, and find Rainbow Siege. So it's gonna be named rainbowsiege.exe. You would right click on it and then go to properties, and then compatibility, and then you would run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK. Now if even this doesn't work, then try to go here to Steam and then go to settings. Go here to downloads and make sure that your region is selected to the closest region to you. So if you are living in Toronto, just select Toronto. If it's a close city to Toronto, just select whatever is closest to you. Down here you'll see clear download cache, so click clear cache. Then go to storage, go to these three dots and click repair library. After that you can close this down. And then go and see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then your last resort is to uninstall the game. So you can do this by just by right clicking on Rainbow Siege and then go to manage, and then you're gonna see uninstall. So click uninstall and reinstall it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.